Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. You're now watching episode 2 of the Thailand series. Episode 1 released last week where I showed my journey from India to Thailand and also the islands covered in the Krabi 4 island tour. So please go and check it out. So we are in Krabi and post breakfast we were heading to Phuket. So today we were just going to see some temples and do a Phuket city tour, and tomorrow we will be going for the Phi island tour.
Is awesome.
What is with you?
Yeah, I've been to these places before, but I've never really seen them, you know?
अरे बाबा ऐसा रोने का नहीं, तेरे को भूख लगा है, केला खाने का, केला खाने का तेरे को। ये शाम तेरा केला दे, केला दे बाबा, बच्ची को भूख लगा है, इंसान है कि कौन है, केला दे।
As you can see, there were multiple options. For me, the best was these insects, so crispy and crunchy. Honestly, I didn't like this, but she liked it and was enjoying it.
All gone. So good. maybe Chandler has some left. It tastes like feet.
On the way to the hotel, we stopped at this beautiful viewpoint. Well, we were hungry again, and right outside the hotel there was a local market and they were selling some amazing street food. That relaxing pool session, we were heading out to find some nice seafood. We ended up in this beautiful place right next to the beach and it had live music as well. This brings us to the end of episode 2. Stay tuned for the next episode, which will have all the details on the Phi Island tour. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button.
Ladies and gentlemen, Wednesday night, Wednesday night, Wednesday night.